of the Maharajment, Havaldar Vikas Kanojia. He's with us today. Vikas had done training with the AMAS in October, and after that, he had faced his SSB for SEO 46.
Six.
Am I right? SEO
Yes.
46
Yes,
in
sir.
February, last week, February of 2020. And on 29th February, he was qualified in SSB from 17 SSB Bangalore. So it's a very
Right.
proud moment for us, Vikas, Solar Vikas, and I'm sure it's a proud moment for you as well as your regiment. Because
Yes,
what
sir.
I know of SEO batches is very few seats are getting filled. Like I remember a few batches back, two of our students who are passing out, 17 in number, and the seats are above 50. So it is not that probably SSB is that tough, but I think the probably more amount of preparation is required for candidates who are facing the SSB for SEO commission. So today we are going to ask you about your experience of SSB, whatever you remember. I know it has been about 3 months since the lockdown, and though you wanted to come to AMAS as all students come to collect your coveted tie of AMAS, but because of the lockdown, you could not come. And now that you are about to join next week at OTA Gaya, so it's okay that we will chat on video conferencing. So we
Yes,
can
sir.
just take your mind back to first to stage one and
Right,
just
sir.
tell us how did you tackle the OIR and the PPTT.
So I like to start from the day one when I reported to 17 SSB Bangalore. Uh, on the first day, very first day when we have reported, we don't know that the duty ratio is watching us, and we don't know the staff there. He, who's there, who's taking our interview, and who is the GTO and all. So we were under watch by duty JCO. And after that, duty JCO had another duty JCO, another GTO had came and given an introduction about the SSB. And the very first day we had started with screening process. The screening process includes a hazy picture in which we are not able, mostly all have written different stories, because it is the picture that in which bus was 3 to 4 people are sitting in a bus, and it is looking like a train also, but mostly it is looking like there is a fire broke out. So mostly students have made a story on some fire broke out, but I had made a story on education theme, and made story on like I've made a story on their journey, that they are going on a journey, educational journey, and after that they did task for themselves and for the community. So like Amas, we had sir had told that khud ka bhala and sabka bhala. So the same thing I had followed there also, and write the story. And after that, going out after writing the story, I had narrated the story 6 to 7 times. And when I spoke the story, when I narrate the story, so it will that time it becomes very easier for me to narrate the story, and that is an advantage for me, because other candidates have not that much good in narration. And that I got just screened in, and total 19 candidates out of 65 got screened in. On the second day, we were distributed in two groups for
I would
other
just like to
tasks.
come in here when you were doing the like in the let's talk a little more about the PPTT. Once
Yes,
you
sir.
finished writing a story and
Right, sir.
you are moved into the hall,
Yes,
and
sir.
since you are a repeater, am I right?
No, sir, I am a fresher.
You are a fresher. So, what kind of interaction, story narration, and discussion did you have?
So after after going out from the hall, I started looking the wall and started narrated with myself only. And when the in the hall when we entered, the GTO told that GTO divided the group into 10-10. And in narration, my number is 13. I started narrating the story, and I've seen every candidate that they are narrating story in their manner. And as I taught in Amas had taught that MP sir had taught that you have to give a speech and give a pitch in your voice. So I give a loud pitch, started with a good pitch, and then came to a normal pitch. So the concentration of every person who is sitting there was on me. And in the discussion also, sir, I participate 2 to 3 times, because GTO is also watching. GTO sir is also watching that who is taking participation and who is giving chance to other candidates who is speaking. So I allow others also to speak, and I appreciated their points, and also tell them ki, you have to tell a good point. And so that's how
So
I told the
certainly
story.
that means there was no fish market in the PPTT, and it was a
No,
very
sir.
nice discussion.
Yes, sir. Because all are fresher, and I'm also fresher group. So it was
Okay.
that much
So
easy.
now let's go on to the main SSB. What was your experience? How did it start? How did you tackle the psych tests that were created by
Yes, sir.
TWIT?
So on the
So what was the
second day,
preparation you've done?
right, sir. So on the second day, we were distributed in two groups. 19 candidates were got in, and two groups were distributed. And in the writing TAT and VAT, in the TAT, I had completed all my 12 stories in the given time, and after that, completed all 60 VATs and 35 SRTs. 35 SRTs because I have written lengthy answers to the SRTs, but my answers were good, so they have considered my answers SRTs, and I also in confidence that I have written good. So I have written long answers of SRTs. And so after that, on the GTO, if I will talk about the GTO tasks, the group was I am in the fresher group. So fresher in group discussion and GP, we are already means allowing everyone to speak, and already taking everyone's point and also giving my point also. In group discussion, I had also given some points with examples. And after that, sir, in I had also appreciated others, same like in what I did in PPDT. And the same thing I've got in Amas also. Sir, you have told that you have to give point, you have to give valid examples. The same thing I've did in group discussion. I have taken all the points which were related to economy, because in SEO Commission, I've seen that the other groups also get the social uh, some social topics. So we had also got social topic, and another topic which is related to India and its neighboring country. As I have taught in Amal that you have to give some good reasons and good points, and also appreciate. I have followed the same thing.
Nice. And what about the outdoor as well, PGT and command tasks, PGT, HGT command tasks? How was your contribution? How do you find the structure easy or difficult to handle?
So in if I talk about the group task, that on the third day, in GTO task, we were already distributed in the group, two groups. I'm the fresher group. So I had firstly I have take the plank and guide my group that we have to as a leader, I have guided everyone, and everyone is listening to me. Ki his point is also good and others are also good, but mostly we have to perform that you are a leader and others are following you. So I was on the first or second number only in the group, and in each group, HGT, FGT, everywhere I have lead the group and give many solutions. And in the command task, the GTO had firstly called me and asked me about my education and about my qualification. And after that, he given me the task. He had given me two planks and a rope, and a normal. It was normal for me because I already taken
So
teaching.
now you're talking about the command task.
Yes, sir. I'm talking about command task.
Okay, command task. So when were you called? You were called initially, or you were called in the middle or towards the end? And
So
then
I
what
was
kind of task was
called.
it? Circular or start line, finish line? What kind of task was
So firstly, I was called in the last because there were 10 candidates, and my number was ninth. So I was almost second last, and GTO sir had called me and asked me about my education qualification, what I am doing in unit, and what good things I did for the Jawans and other ranks. And sir, after that, he's given me the task and told me that you have to perform good. So I assured that yes, sir, I will do, and I start the task with what I have got in Amas. That so you have told that you have to give a good speech before you have to give a good narration to two candidates. And I've called two candidates and told them that if I need any suggestion, I will ask, unless you will stand there. So they had followed my commands, and so the command was start line and finish line. It was not a circular command.
Okay. Right.
And it was a normal command, but command task. But I have to complete it with two planks because GTO sir had given two planks and a rope, and
Okay.
I have to join both the planks and cross the. So I've quickly did that, sir.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now that goes about the GTO. Now a little bit. Let's talk about your interview. So
Right.
when was the interview held, and how was you able to tackle the questions in the interview?
Sir, on the third day when we had completed the FGT HGT of GTO task. After that, I had faced interview in the evening, and my interview was taken by Colonel Vijay. He was Deputy IO or 17 SSB, and he asked me about my job, and it was 25 minutes of interview, sir. It was not a lengthy or long interview, but
Okay.
he had seen my profile that I've written mostly about sports and about my job profile. So he asked me what type of job you are performing, you are doing, and about all the things that sir you have told in Amas that are related to sports. What he will ask, so he definitely asked me that only, sir. What is the length of the ball, and what is ground, and what is the weight, and who's the last World Cup winner,
You had
what
prepared
is
answers,
the
probably.
currency? Yes, sir.
So did
What is their
he
currency?
go on to ask you anything on the current affairs or military affairs, anything with that? Anything?
So he told me that about five international and national news, and in that only I have covered current affairs also.
Okay. Okay. Right. 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 So that's nice to know. And then how was the conference final day? How did it go? Was it a short and a crisp conference, or was it a long conference?
So actually, I means I thought that everyone they have taken the decision before conference, because
Okay.
we all had faced 5 minutes conference. So, sir,
Okay.
in conference, they were asked just how was the food, how was the stay, how many friends you have made, and how will you be in connect with them. So, I've told the same answer what I have prepared in Amas. And
Yeah,
after that,
absolutely.
sir, and after that, he asked me what you will tell to other candidates who are preparing at center. So, I
Okay.
told that, sir, I was not that much familiar with the process, the procedure of SSB, and I will definitely tell them to follow these instructions.
Okay. That means that the conference was short and crisp. So, how
Yes,
many
sir.
students were there in your batch, total batch, and how many finally made it?
So there were total 19 candidates in the batch. There were two batches, and so total three candidates were got recommended.
Okay.
In my group, there were 10 students, and two were selected. Chest number four, me, and chest number five.
You are
In
chest
the
number?
next, I'm chest number four. I'm the first
You are
candidate,
chest number
sir.
four. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So, because at the end of obviously it's a very good feeling. Now, what tips would you like to give for two types of tips? One is especially to our soldiers who are trying for SCO entry,
Yes, sir.
and otherwise broadly, because SSB is the same whether you are for SCO or for NDA, for IMA, whatever. So,
Right,
firstly,
sir.
especially for soldiers, and secondly for the young boys and girls who are actually going preparing for SSB.
Sir, I like to tell what you have taught me in Amas. The convincing, you have to convince the group. This is the main and the sir, main funda of SSB. I thought that, sir, and I also feel that if you have convinced the group, you will get success, because every task the group is not following you, and you have to make sure that the group is following you. So for that you have to, if we talk about group discussion, GP, or individual obstacle or group obstacle, everywhere you have to give follow, you have to make sure that the group is following you. So sir, the main, I thought that convincing the group is more important, sir.
So that is a common thing for, especially for anything for soldiers. Would you like to say what
Sir,
they should prepare?
yes, sir. Sir, the main thing I seen there, GTO and IO had speak with me in Hindi. They want me to speak in Hindi, but I have spoken in English, spoken that time in English. So the main thing is you
So
have
you
to,
thought that communication skills
yes, sir.
should be very good. The soldiers must ensure it's not English or Hindi. You should be able to speak well in your whatever
Right,
language
sir.
you're speaking.
Right, sir.
Right? So I know you have a good communication skill and you had a good control over spoken English also. So you were answering everything in good English, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now you are supposed to get a tie from AMAS.
Right,
So
sir.
we have two choice. Either is to send you by post,
Right, sir.
or whenever you have, when you join OT and you have your first term break,
Right, sir.
probably in the month of maybe December or January. So that the time you can come, and hopefully by that time the institute will also be open as per the government orders, and we can give a
Yes.
tie and you can speak to our students at that time. So either way, it will
Sir,
be a great occasion for
I
me.
also request, sir, I want to come to Amas, and I want
Okay.
to interact with the students, and I also want to meet you, sir, also.
Okay. So
So,
that's, so
sir,
we'll
I
keep
will
it
come, Amas.
pending. We'll keep it
Yes,
pending
sir.
for December on your first term break from OTA Chennai. So do keep your train reservations accordingly, so that from
Right,
Gaya
sir.
you come to Delhi, and from
Right, sir.
Delhi then you go to Pune, where
Right,
you are your family and all are there. So
right, sir.
at the end of your training, do all aspects of training so well, and may God give you all the strength and energy to become a very good officer one day and make your regiment, make us and
Right,
your family proud of. So thank you
right,
so
sir.
much for joining us for the short interview.
Thank you, sir.
Right. So yeah, so Arjun.